Hi, today I'm going to be unboxing my new computer case that I just got in the mail. So, here we go.
Well, did you just give him my phone number and tell him to call me? And he goes, yeah, I did. I said,
That's
okay,
what it
cool.
looks like.
I'm not that hard to find. If you want to serve me a
So,
process,
let's
call me. I'll take it.
get started on
In court. I'm not going to fight in the hallway.
unboxing. Let's get this out. Okay, just got it open, so let's see. Okay.
This is the bottom. This is the top.
So this is the Nzxt H510i. This is what it looks like. So this is the case. It looks pretty cool. So there's a phone jack, USB-C, and USB, I think, 3.0. A power button. Of course, all that. And then here's what it looks like. I did red and black. So, yeah. Looks pretty cool overall. Back. Probably all know.
Plenty of slots.
Yep. That's for the GPU.
So we need a power supply.
Yeah.
It's got a fan.
Already attached
It's got
to it.
2 fans.
And then the back just looks just black. That's all. And then the
I guess
neck.
this is the front.
Yeah, and this is basically the whole case. It's pretty cool. So, goodbye, guys, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.